Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. Facebook AI trained to detect object with near-human accuracy. So make sure to watch the full video. Facebook has worked hard to innovate and implement AI, machine learning, and deep learning DL for its services over the past few years. They have already made significant progress on a number of projects, including deepfake detection, COVID-19 forecasting with AI, NLP, and computer vision, and many others like them. Artificial intelligence is one area in which they have recently innovated. Facebook's computer-based intelligence research division as of late declared that they had accomplished a forward leap in self-directed gaining models equipped for gaining from an irregular gathering of unlabeled pictures. Let me provide you with an illustration of the operation of a conventional computer vision system before we move on to CER. A cutting-edge PC vision framework whose essential objective is to distinguish objects, like felines, canines, and so forth from an assortment of pictures, utilizes a named picture dataset. The dataset comprises of countless pictures that are hand-marked, which finds opportunity to do. Even though it works, the process needs to be started from scratch for every new thing the AI model needs to identify, which would cause significant performance drops if it wasn't done right. Facebook's self-supervised learning model CER, which is the first of its kind, uses an unlabeled dataset of random images to try to classify as much as it can from the image. It was also not an easy task to train the model. According to Facebook, CER trained the model with 1 billion Instagram public images in over 8 days using more than 500 NVIDIA data center grade V100 GPUs with 32 gigabytes of VRAM. Better accuracy and dependability were achieved through the use of the billion image dataset. In an object recognition test, CER, according to Facebook, outperformed several other AI models with ease. Facebook also tried out their model's accuracy on close to 13,000 images from ImageNet, a huge image library dataset, and it got a classification accuracy score of 84.2%. The eventual fate of Diviner at Facebook. Self-managed learning has been assembling a lot of consideration recently as it doesn't need any marking of datasets, which can be a carefully tedious interaction. This makes it simple for researchers to use this model for projects that need a lot of different datasets or even much larger ones. Facebook says that they're attempting to construct Diviner in a manner so later on, the model would be sufficiently brilliant to distinguish straightforwardly from the given data, be it message or picture, without depending on human-marked datasets. Facebook is also of the opinion that CER can be the crucial step toward a common-sense understanding by AI systems, enabling it to comprehend anything from an image. Facebook claims that the goal of CER was to determine whether self-supervised learning could outperform more conventional approaches like supervised learning in real-world situations. According to the results of the initial tests, self-supervised systems like CER can eat through datasets like they're nothing. To achieve the same level of accuracy as supervised models, self-supervised systems need almost 100 times as many images. Even though this is just a research project, Facebook thinks that a model like CER has a lot of potential use cases. For example, it could be used to improve accessibility, automatically categorize products on Facebook's marketplace, and even keep harmful images off the platform. Let's quickly examine the most common concern regarding this model, which is privacy. Individuals have begun viewing computerized protection pretty in a serious way, and as far as they might be concerned, this might come as a shock that their photographs are being utilized to prepare an artificial intelligence model. Together, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Messenger hold a vast treasure trove of data that can be utilized to provide in-depth user data across all of their platforms. As long as user information is posted publicly on Facebook's platforms, the company can use it to improve its existing services and create newer, better ones like CER, according to the company's data policy. However, let's be honest, none of the users were aware that their photos and the rest of their data were being used to create AI systems and serve targeted ads. Taking a gander at a portion of the ongoing contributions by Facebook, for example, its strong picture labeling highlight for photographs that involves facial acknowledgement shows that the organization sees esteem in understanding their clients better and why it is dealing with Diviner. However, CER, like any cutting-edge technology, is not perfect, and Facebook is concerned that the images from Instagram may not accurately represent the groups that are not well defined by the image dataset, and may disproportionately represent the younger generation that has access to the internet and mobile phones. Facebook responded that they would provide some of the software in the form of an open-source library when asked about making CER available to the rest of the world. Other researchers would be able to test out self-supervised learning and train their models on uncurated image datasets thanks to this. Over 1 billion Instagram images are being used by Facebook researchers to train a self-supervised algorithm, with the condition that this algorithm will not require human-labeled images to identify the contents. Due to the fact that the accurate image recognition algorithm requires a human to mark photos as having an animal in them, such as a cow, horse, or dog. Really, at that time, this calculation works and perceives the likenesses between various pictures, where human has determined having a similar subject. The researcher of Facebook, Jan LeCun, has been given this obligation to change ADI dependence on marks for a long time. When this computer vision program, which goes by the name CER, was tested by ImageNet, a large visual database designed specifically for use in research on visual object recognition software, it achieved an accuracy score of 84.2%. Facebook tried it to check whether it perceived plainly what article is displayed in the picture. Facebook said that it has prepared Soothsayer to distinguish the various articles in a picture by examining irregular, not marked pictures of Instagram. In addition, in the not-too-distant future, this artificial intelligence will undergo training in such a way that it will be able to recognize directly from the information provided, whether that information is provided in the form of text, images, or any other kind of information, without relying on images labeled by humans. Even though this is a research project, CER's excellent performance demonstrates that it can outperform computer vision tasks in the real world. The company stated in a blog post that during the research, they included improved automatic generated text for elaborating images for visually impaired individuals, automatic categories for items sold on the Facebook Marketplace, and keeping harmful images off the Facebook platform. However, despite the fact that many users may not like the fact that their images are used to train AI, they need not worry because Instagram and Facebook's policies stipulate that the data can only be used for research and innovation. Final thoughts. In conclusion, it is safe to say that self-supervised learning solutions offer a plethora of possibilities. Furthermore, given that they do not require the use of manual annotations, it is evident that they will shape the subsequent wave of smart solutions, whose quality will increase with time. However, one can only hope that Facebook will properly manage this enormous pool of user data and do its best to avoid something as catastrophic as the 2018 data privacy scandal involving Cambridge Analytica, which shocked the world. So that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Use the comments section below to tell us your thoughts about the video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to be notified of all the latest videos.